siyempre ng nurse si Albert, Mr. Martinez, andun na ho yung mga doctors, ready na ho sa conference. Hindi niya ako tinawag, so I was left there. Ayoko namang ipagpilitan ang sarili ko. So, as soon as nung pumasok siya sa kwarto, tatagalugin ko na, nung pumasok na si Albert sa kwarto, mag-uumpisa pa lang siya ng salitang, I have both good news and bad news. Tumayo ako. Hinabol ko yung mga doktor. Doctor, sabi ko, 10 sila. I am the mother. I would like to know exactly because hindi ako, I can take it, and hindi naman ako isang tanga na hindi ko maiintindihan yan. So, they sat down again dahil nag-aayos na sila ng mga papers. And then, I talked to them and they answered everything that I wanted to know.
Okay.
Tapos, si Albert, aalis na, inabot sa kanya ni Rachel yung bill. Tapos sabi ba naman ni Albert, inunguso niya na ibigay sa akin ng bill. Meron bang ganon? Asawa ka, lalaki ka, kahit na ba anak ko si Lisel, ang dapat nun, makipag-usap siya na parang tunay na lalaki.
Okay.
Huwag yung basta, inunguso sa akin, kitang-kita ko. Dapat nun, ma, paano beto? Ganito lang ang pera namin, wala kaming pera. Magkano ba dyan? Dahil alam naman nila, hindi na ako nag-aartista. Whatever the little money that I'm still making is just enough for me to live on in a decent lifestyle. Hindi yung lifestyle of the rich and famous.
Okay, tita.
Okay, ano pa? Sanay ka na sa mother mo.
Yes.
Kaya
This is flashback for me.
Mo.
Tita, marami rin nagtatanong, tita, kasi with Lizelle's condition, parang marami nagsasabi, just give her support, just give her the love. Yet, meron pa rin kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan. What can you say about this?
Siya lang ang merong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Ako, as I said, 3 months ago, I gave her 200,000. One thing about Lisel, I offered her my physical, emotional support, and financial support. But the only thing that she has accepted was the financial side. Alam mo, katulad si Chris, sinangaan ko si Chris kasi although her mother is very rich and can afford all the medical, and yet, alam mo si Chris, nagbibigay sa mother niya whatever she can give as a token ba na to show her mother that I care. Bakit ako, since Annalisa was born, up to this day, she has never given me anything. Not a cent.
Okay.
Because she thinks that I can afford it. But sometimes, a mother wants to feel na, oh, nagsasakripisyo ang aking anak para masiyahan ako, di ba?
Tita, saan mo gustong pumunta itong issue na to? Paano kayo magkakaayos ni Lizelle?
Ewan ko kung magkakaayos pa kami dahil ako naman, I will not take any kind of from her. Because as a mother, it is my duty to teach my daughter how to be grateful. Yes, para siyang nag-accept ng award, lahat ng tao, thank you, Aga. Kung si Aga, na hindi ko anak, he acknowledges the help that I've given him. I've raised him also like a brother to Lisel because I realized that Lisel needed brothers and sisters, and that's Arlene nga and Aga. But for her to just dismiss me as a sorry, oo, siya ang maging sorry because God will not let this go by. God will punish her. Before I came here, I prayed for this. And I told the Lord, Lord, if this is the right thing for me to do, let me get on with the show. And if it is not right, then hindi matutuloy ito.
Okay.
I leave everything in the hands of God. Even her life and even her, what do you call this? Yung mga relationships namin. Because Hindi rin naman pwedeng one-sided lang. Ako lang ang lapit ng lapit sa kanya. Tapos siya naman magsasalita sa TV para lang pasalamatan ang lahat ng tao. Pati si Paps, buhay daw niya, utang.
Okay. Alright, Tita,
Hindi
to end
tama
this na lang.
yun.
A final question na lang, Tita. I'm sure Lizelle is watching. Gaano mo kamahal si Lizelle as a daughter?
You know, I have never loved anybody as much as I loved my daughter. This is harder for me to come here and denounce her because a mother's love doesn't need any kind of affirmation. Kahit na anong pagkakamali ang ginawa niya, nagtanan siya, pinaakyat niya sa bahay ko si Albert na hindi ko ginawa sa buhay ko. Ako ang may-ari ng bahay, ako nagpagawa. I respected my own house. You know, ginawa niya na lahat ng kabastusan sa akin. Pero napapatawad ko pa rin siya. So ngayon, kung nakikinig ka, Lizelle, just remember that I love you. You don't have to say you're sorry, and you don't have to say that you have to be an ideal daughter. I accepted you in the same manner that you accepted your children. Okay. At lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa anak mo, yun din ang gusto kong mangyari sa anak ko. Lahat ng ipinagdadasal mo at lahat ng pagmamahal na binigay mo sa anak mo, ganun din ang ibinigay ko sa iyo. At alam yan ng lahat.